So this is exercise 70, question number 6. Well, how might we go about doing this question? What's to help us with it? What might you be tempted to do first off? I know what I would do. I would draw it, yeah. Trapezium, I've no idea whether or not this is the right shape for a trapezium for this particular one, but I'm going to draw it, okay? What do I know? I know that the area is 13.5 square centimetres. And the perpendicular distance between its parallel sides, these are the parallel sides of a trapezium, and we usually indicate it with a little arrow. So what's the perpendicular distance between them? That means this distance here. The perpendicular distance between them. In other words, the height is 3 centimetres. So that's a roundabout way of telling you the height is 3 centimetres. But the words we use, engineers use, perpendicular distance. You need to know what that means. That's what it's telling you. If the length of one of the parallel sides is 5.6, find the length of the other parallel side. So I don't know whether the answer I'm going to end up with is going to be longer or shorter than that. I might have written them the wrong way around, but that's not the important thing. I've drawn it and put the information on, and that's a good suggestion. If in doubt, draw it. It helps you to see the problem. Okay? Next step. Yeah, right formula down, Chris. Well, what do you mean by put it into a triangle? No.
5.6.
Yeah.
Down one side, then you've got the height, so it's
5.6 down one side. I don't know. That's this length from here to here. Yeah, no, it's that length. Yeah. So write the formula down. Area equals a half A plus B times the height. Now we have a problem because we've got to rearrange this formula because we're after one of these sides, look. Okay? You can either rearrange the formula or you can plug the numbers in and treat it like a little equation, and we'll be looking at equations. So let's go down the equation route first of all. That means put the numbers in. 13.5, that's the area, equals a half times one side, so that's 5.6, plus the other side that we don't know, x, times the height, which is 3. Now we've got to try and solve that equation, i.e. get x on its own. So it's the same sort of idea as rearranging a formula. Get rid of the half. How do I get rid of the half? Times by 2, times both sides by 2. Twice that is 27, 27. Equals 5.6 plus x times 3. What might you do next? All of that inside the bracket has been multiplied by 3. So divide by 3. 27 divided by 3 is 9. Lastly, take away 5.6, leaves me 4 to 6, 3.4 equals x. So in other words, x equals 3.4 centimetres. So that was not an easy question. If I want to rearrange the formula, I'd do a similar thing, look, but I'd leave the symbols in. First thing to do, what do we do over here with the equation? We times by 2. Do the same here. But this time, what would I have to write on the left-hand side? 2a, yeah, equals a plus b times h. What do we do next here? We divide it by the 3, look. So divide by h. So 2a over h equals a plus b. And then finally, well, if a is what we're after, then subtract b. So 2a over h minus b equals a. And then we could put the numbers in, because we know a and h and the other side, and we could find it. Okay? More general way, because we might have lots of these trapeziums that we want to find this height for. So instead of having to solve the equation every time, if we've got the general formula, we can just plug the numbers in and work it out. Okay? Okay, so thanks for suggesting that